Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons and this is a pretty special one. So, I don't normally talk about this and I thought this video was super important, especially as I've been watching Stefan James and Project Life Mastery a whole lot more, and I think the main statement I really want to say is I'm committed to life mastery. And why am I declaring this? Because it's okay for people to have it in their heads that they want to live a good life. It's okay for people to think it's all going to work out. But when you really declare it and you state, I am committed to life mastery, even say it at home now. You may have your parents next to you or near you. Just say it. Why shouldn't you be committed to mastering your life, guys? And there's a couple of things that this involves. So life mastery isn't just becoming rich. It's not just becoming financially free. It's actually in every area, health, wealth, love and happiness. It is becoming a master of those and knowing yourself, truthfully knowing and being self-aware and mastering your life. And the reason that I want to share this video with you guys is for you to do the same. I really want you to start thinking about mastering each area of your life. Maybe you're not eating well at the moment, or maybe you don't have much of a social life, and I have to admit I don't have the greatest social life. I don't really go out with friends. That's because I'm focusing on myself and my businesses at the moment. But I am committed to life mastery. Every single day I do a morning and an evening ritual. I've started doing routines that are going to change my life for the better. I've started learning more and more every single day because I want to be a master of my own life. I want to live it as fulfilled as it can be. I want to max out my life. And I think that is just so important for you guys to realise as well. Start thinking, is this what I'm doing right now going to lead to me mastering my life, or is it just wasting my time? And I really think that just asking yourself this, am I committed to life mastery? Whenever you do something, it really just opens your eyes and gets you back on track to smashing all your goals, living the life you want. So when we talk about life mastery, it's not rich, it's not wealthy. It is living a fulfilled, maxed out life that is full of happiness in every area. And I want you guys to start trying to think about that more. And this was a different type of video, and it's something that I'm really possibly just doing for myself, but also to share with you guys if you are whatsoever interested. But nevertheless, it's always just great to say I am committed to life mastery, and I'm gonna smash my goals. I'm gonna live my life to the fullest, because you only get one life as far as we know. So dude, let's freaking go for it. Let's go for it. And if anyone is in the comments, feel free to reach out. I'd love to have a little talk with you about this. But honestly, I just want to leave you with this. Just go and smash it. Do it for yourself. Don't worry about anyone else. This is your life and you should be committed to mastering it. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. I will catch you in the next video, which will be about FBA or entrepreneurship. But this is a bit about a bit of a lifestyle video, which I think is really important to go through. I will catch you in the next video, guys.